Hey guys, Jason, Surviving Dad Life. I've been looking for a new products that's out now by Armor All, and it's been kind of hard to find. It's their new ceramic stuff. Anyway, they've got like a ceramic wheel cleaner, ceramic shampoo, ceramic glass cleaner and treatment, and then they've got a ceramic tire coating. Anyway, I've been looking around trying to find the stuff, and it's hard to find any of it. But anyway, I just so happened to be in Wally World a few minutes ago, and I found 3 of the 4 items. I found everything except for the tire coating, and I'm not a big fan of tire coatings anyway, so that's all right. But anyway, I'm gonna pull up here. Looks like I've got a empty parking lot, and I bought me the ceramic stuff to clean the glass, and I got me a glass towel. So let me get that stuff out, and I'll just clean the glass right here in the parking lot. And then the best I can do for now is we'll shoot like the windshield washer fluid on it, and we'll see how good it repels that water off of it once it hits that. So give me a few minutes to get set up, and then we'll take care of that. Windshield wall. All right, I'm really not set up at the house, so I don't have good lighting and that kind of stuff, but here's the glass cleaner that I was talking about. Let me read the instructions to you. It says, shake well before use. Use on a cool, dry surface. Hold can 4 to 6 inches away and lightly, evenly coat exterior glass surface. Use a microfiber towel and firmly buff in the formula with even pressure to set the ceramic hydrophobic technology. To provide maximum repellency and a streak-free shine, flip the towel and wipe again to remove any visual residue and set the formula. And it says use only as directed, blah, 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 blah. And it said avoid heavy application and do not use on a hot surface. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray down one side of the windshield, clean it with one side of the towel, and flip it over and dry it. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Surface. All right, I'm going to try and do this with one hand and holding on to this stuff and using the towel and everything. Anyway, I'm going to put a light coating of this stuff down. Foams right on up. I use the plush side of my towel here. I'm gonna get this cleaned off. Okay, and I'm gonna flip it over to the buffing side. I love these towels like this. It says to buff it, you know, like a lot and press firmly. And I'm betting that's to keep any streaking from happening. Okay. I got that side done. All right, best I can do is going to be the windshield washer fluid, if I can figure out how to do it. And that sucks. I really can't tell just how good it's working. Let's try one other thing. Okay, I'm still out and about. I've got the windshield cleaned. It's relatively streak-free. I mean, I haven't found many glass cleaners that streak up the windows like crazy anyway, especially if you use clean towels and swap them out. Don't use a dirty one on every single window. Anyway, the only thing I can think of to see how good the water runs off the windshield is as much as I hate to say it, I'm gonna go through a touchless wash. I know, sue me.
The water.
So there's not a touchless wash available. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the thing that you shouldn't do. Wish me luck. I don't know if you guys can see this real well, but the guy going in already went in front of me, did the undercarriage spray, and look at how the glass is just beating up. We'll see how good this stuff runs off here when I drive through it. Uh-oh. It's almost my turn. Alright, here goes. Yeah, getting an undercarriage. Ooh. Alright. See what happens. You can see the water's hitting up here and already running off. I guess the true test with this stuff is going to be like how long it lasts. And here comes the soap. I was kind of hoping to do a pre-rinse first. But if it holds up through the soap that's on here too, and you know, the water that rinses it off and everything, and it still holds up and has beating on it, I mean, it seems to hold up pretty good then. Let's see how it looks. Man, I hope it didn't strip the coating off. And say hello to scratches. Yeah, it's still there. As you can tell, it's shooting off the car. As soon as it starts doing the rinse, we'll be able to tell. It's shooting the water off really good. Here it comes again. I don't know if you could tell how it's running the water off, and it's actually like drying it right through here as it's going through. And look how the water's just flying off of it. But on the side windows where I didn't do anything, it's just, there's like a layer of water on there. You can't see it real well, but here we go. It's beating off and running off real fast, where on the sides it's just kind of sticking here. So here here comes the rinse. And I didn't pay for any extra waxes or anything like that. Seems to be doing pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. Alright, I think I get to hit the dryer now, maybe. I did the cheap one. Yep, already dry. It already got all the water off on the front, and it's still on the sides. Okay guys, here's going to be my final thoughts on the Armor All ceramic glass cleaner and treatment. Go out and get it. You won't be disappointed. I put this stuff on with no cure time. I went down to one of those bays that, you know, has the brushes and all that stuff on it, and I let it beat the crap out of the car, shoot the soap on it and all that good stuff. And I say good stuff a lot. Anyway, it still shot the water right off. It went right off the glass. When I went through at the end and the blowers came on and dried the car, it shot the water off extremely fast. So the only thing that I'm going to be concerned about now is the longevity, is how long it lasts. If I get 2 to 3 months out of it, I'll be happy with something like this. It does treatment and cleaning. I'd be okay with that. You know, your more expensive stuff that you have to clean the glass real well and prep it and then you put it on, yeah, you'll get 6 months or longer. But with this stuff here, as affordable as it is, I mean, I think it's like $10, and you get an 18-ounce aerosol can. I mean, it's not bad. So if you go out and get this stuff, I think you'll be very surprised at how well it works. I was shocked. I haven't had Armor All stuff in a long time, and I think it does very well. So once again, it's Jason for Surviving Dad Life. Make sure you go down in the box and comment and like, subscribe, hit that bell so when I put stuff out, you know what's going on, you know what I'm up to. And you know, I'm going to test out this other Armor All stuff that I got and see how it goes. But until then, you guys get out of here. You're bothering me.